Yes, it's true. We're back. Hey guys, how you going? Sorry for the lack of updates firstly on this channel. Got no great excuses, but I can tell you that the warmer weather is upon us here in South Coast New South Wales, and I'm hoping to get out and film a lot more episodes. And for this particular adventure, I'm going to take you to one of the nicest parts of Jervis Bay. Over on the western edge there, you will find a couple of places called Callala Bay and Callala Beach. They're little kind of townships. We're going to go and check them out, and also go south down towards Currambene Creek and another little place called Myola. I've got a brand new drone, the Mavic 2 Pro, which I'm hoping to fly down there. I've only got one battery, so I'm gonna have to be very careful about what I get up to, but it's an absolutely stunning day. Here's the forecast. See what I mean? Look pretty nice, doesn't it? Anyway, enough gas, let's go. Guys, well, here we are in Callala Bay. Just pulled up at the little car park here. Gonna fly the drone, see if we can get some nice shots before the wind picks up too much. So Callala Bay is kind of the centre of the yachting community here in Jervis Bay. There's a load of yachts moored here and quite a big jetty where people can get on and off their boats. So we'll take a little bit of footage and show you the place. So this is Callala Bay, and as I mentioned, this is where you come if you've got a boat, if you've got a yacht. There's a really good boat ramp over here, over my shoulder. You can just see it over in the distance there. And this is also where all the shops are as well. There's an IGA and a Baker's and all the other sorts of shops you'd expect to find, a bottle shop and stuff, just off up the beach here. So if you're staying in Callala Beach or Myola, you'll have to come to Callala Bay to get your groceries and things anyway. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about the geography here. We're looking south at this point. There's the main jetty down there and the main boat ramp where the boats put in and out, and as you can see there's quite a few very nice looking yachts bobbing away in the harbour here. I believe there's a yacht club here as well that go out for recreational races. So spinning the camera around, I'm now looking north up towards Red Point, which you can just see over in the far distance there in the middle of the frame. Over in the distance there you can see the far side of Beecroft, sorry, the inside Jervis Bay side of the Beecroft Peninsula. Way over there, that's Long Beach. And swinging around, you've got all the beaches in the Beecroft. And looking out that away in the far distance is the heads of Jervis Bay. And what we're going to do now is get in the car and head that away down to Callala Beach and have a look at that, and maybe even go for a swim because it is bloody hot. So here we are on the absolutely stunning Callala Beach, which, as you can see, has fairly white sand, and I know a lot of people flock to Hyams Beach just down the coast from here in search of this stuff. So I just drove down to the little community centre car park here. There's some toilet facilities and some showers, but there's places all the way up and down this beach where you can pull over the car, get out the esky and come down onto the beach. Plenty of room for everybody to share. One thing you won't find here is much in the way of amenities. There's a club and a cafe and a little friendly grocer, but not much else. So if you want to get some proper shopping, you'll need to drive just up to Callala Bay to get all your bits and pieces from there, or maybe south into Myola. Everybody wants something different out of their holidays, of course, and if you're the kind of person that just likes to go to a beautiful beach and put up the old beach tent, get the esky out and relax and go for a swim in the beautiful ocean, then this is definitely an excellent choice. Well, if you follow the road all the way down from Callala Beach, all the way down through Myola, eventually you wind up at this car park here, which, as you can imagine, gets pretty damn busy during the summer. Now, obviously, I'm filming this particular footage during the school term, prior to the start of the big rush, and of course it does get a little bit busier down here, but it's nowhere near as bad as some of the beaches over there, Hyams and Huskinson beaches and Sharknet beaches. And as I mentioned before, you've got the best of both worlds here. You've got the amazing beach, but you've also got stunning
Currambene Creek. As I mentioned before, the Husky ferry departs from right here, well, from Currumbene Creek, just over there, but at this car park, and it'll transport you down to Huskisson, which you can just see over my shoulder, where there are many fine cafes, eateries, restaurants, fish and chip shops, whatever you're into, it's over there. And that brings us to the end of another awesome armchair adventure from me, Andy Hutchinson, the Barefoot Geek, as I'm thinking of rebranding this particular channel after the name of my website. If you haven't been there before, go and check it out, barefootgeek.com. It's really rather good. Lots of travel information and guides and location guides and videos to all the places that I visited on the south coast. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please mash that like button, hit the subscribe button, sign up. I'm back. I'm going to be out and about playing with my new drone, taking some awesome footage and showing off the very best that South Coast New South Wales has to offer. Until then, bye!